Welcome viewers. Today in this class we are going to learn about food contamination sources. Contamination is the presence of a constituent, impurity or some other undesirable element that spoils, corrupts, infects, makes unfit or makes inferior a material, physical body, natural environment, workplace. Coming to food contamination definition. According to Australian Institute of Food Safety, food contamination refers to food that has been corrupted with another substance either through physical, biological or chemical. Types of food contamination. There are namely 3 types, which includes biological contamination, chemical contamination and physical contamination, and also includes cross contamination. There are numerous numbers of sources of contamination. Contamination in food caused by various sources like green plants and fruits, animals and sewage. Physical agents, namely from soil, from water and from air. During handling and processing also contamination occurs, namely in food industries. The surface of the green plants and also especially fruits also contaminated by various microorganisms. Natural flora of green plants includes Pseudomonas, alkali genes, Flavobacterium, Micrococcus, coliforms and lactic acid bacteria. Lactic acid bacteria, especially lactic acid brevis, lactic acid plantarum, leuconost, mesenteroids, dextronicum, Streptococcus faecium and Streptococcus faecalis. In well-washed tomato, we could see 400 to 700 microorganisms per square meter. Similarly, in unwashed, when we compare with unwashed tomato, it is about several thousands per square meter. Similarly, in unwashed cabbage, we could see 1 to 2 million microbes per square meter. In trimmed and washed cabbage, we could see 2 to 5 lakhs of microbes per square meter. Exposed surface contaminated easily by soil, water, sewage, air and animal sources. The animal sources also contaminated easily by microorganisms. From the animal sources, we could see the microorganisms in surface area, respiratory tract area and also in gastrointestinal tract. Hides, hooves and also hair contains large numbers of microorganisms. Heavy contamination occurs through feathers, and feeds of poultry. Skin also easily contaminated from the animals, especially from meat animals, includes micrococci, staphylococci, beta hemolytic streptococci. Fecal contaminated products and pig or beef carcass heavily contaminated by Salmonella bacteria, which causes infectious disorder like salmonellosis. Animal husbandry includes infectious microorganisms like Brucella, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Coxiella, Listeria, Campylobacter, beta hemolytic streptococci, Salmonella, enteropathogenic E. coli, parasites and viruses. From sewage also contamination occurs easily. Contamination of microorganisms occurs in untreated domestic sewage which was used as a fertilizer for plant crops in many countries. It contains human pathogens which causes infectious disorder, especially gastrointestinal diseases. Use of night soil also spreads pathogens in nearby agricultural fields. Pathogens in the form of sewage which was untreated contains coliforms, anaerobes, enterococci, other intestinal bacteria and also viruses. Natural water sources is easily contaminated by microorganisms and especially living organisms like shellfish, fishes and also seafoods contain numerous number of microorganisms which is easily contaminated. Treated sewage water contains only small numbers to fewer number of microorganisms. By concluding, food contamination occurs through various sources, namely raw materials, especially green plants and fruits, from water sources, from air, through dust, through soil, from sewage, from rodents, through insects, animals and birds, and also it occurs during handling of foods and also during packaging of the food materials. Thank you.